Hello students, let's read this problem together. The net of a rectangular pyramid and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the total surface area of the rectangular pyramid? So in this question they are asking us for the total surface area, and so we are going to find the area of all of the faces and the base. If we want to know which one is the base, the shape of the base is in the name, rectangular pyramid. Since it is a rectangular pyramid, the base is a rectangle. And so this one right here would be our base. The faces are the triangles, and that's why it forms a pyramid. Now let's look at the triangles. Do all the triangles look congruent to you? No, we have two different pairs of triangles. I have two larger triangles, and we have two smaller triangles. So now we're going to find the area of each of the shapes. Let's start with the base. So our base is a rectangle. So we're going to use the formula for a rectangle, which is area equals base times height. So if we look at our rectangle, we have a base of 14, and we have a height of 6. So 14 times 6 is 84, and our units are in inches, so squared inches. Now we're going to find the area of our triangular faces. I'm going to start with the larger triangle. So if I look at the triangle to find my dimensions, I know that the bottom here is touching the top of the rectangle. So the base of the triangle is 14 and the height is 8. So the area of a triangle is half of the base times the height. So our triangle will be half of 14 times 8. So I can do 14 times 8 and then take half, or I can take half of 14, just in order from left to right? So half of 14 is 7, and then 7 times 8 is 56. Do we see what we did this time? We took half of 14 to get 7, and then we multiply that by 8, we get 56. So now we can find the area of the smaller triangle. And that triangle has a base which is the same as the height of the rectangle. So that would be 6. And then its height is 10.2. So our area, it's a triangle, is half of the base times the height. So that would be half of 6 times 10.2. And now we can do the same thing. We can take half of 6 which is 3, times 10.2. So our area is 30.6 squared inches. So now I have the area of both my bigger triangle and my smaller triangle. Now let's go back in and look at each piece that I know. I know the base is 84. I know each large rectangle is 56 inches squared. And I also know that the smaller triangles are 30.6. So to find the total surface area, I am going to have to add all of those up. So let's go ahead and write that. I have the total surface area is equal to, I have the base, which is 84, plus 2 triangles that are 56, plus 2 triangles that are 30.6. Let's color code that. We had our base area was 84. The 2 larger triangular faces and the 2 smaller triangular faces. So we're going to continue. And I can multiply 2 times 56. So here we're still going to have 84 plus 112 plus 61.2. All that is coming from the area of the base, the combined area of the 2 triangular faces, the combined area of the 2 smaller triangular faces. So now we can add them all up. 84 plus 112 plus 61.2. Let's make sure we align our decimal because one of those had a decimal, so we have to make sure that we line up those decimals. And so we're going to add zeros, and now we have 2. Our decimal stays lined. 7, 15, we carry 1, 2. So 257.2, and remember our units were squared inches. So we have the total surface area is 257.2. What is the total surface area of the rectangular pyramid? The total surface area of this rectangular pyramid is 257.2. We found our answer by finding the area of each shape, including the base, and 2 opposite pairs of triangular faces. So the total surface area is B, 257.2 squared inches.